Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable slot music on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. So let's get started. First, open the Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Tap on the settings icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can locate the slot music option. Once you have found the slot music option, tap on the error icon right beside it. This will turn off the slot music for your game. And this is how you can disable slot music on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.